When it's time to do some tile work, one of the main things you want to make sure you do is figure out your starting point. So when you get to the end of your project where you're tiling, that your tiles end up even and they look nice. So let me show you how to do that. First thing I want to do is I want to find out the length of the area that I'm going to be tiling. I'm going to use my laser to get a measurement. So I have 188 3/4 inches. I need the center of that. I need to make a mark at 94 3/8 inches. I know this counter is level because I just installed it the other day, and I take my speed square, set it up for my line, put it right where I made my mark, and draw my line straight up. Now I have a straight line going up on the center, and I'm going to go ahead and figure out my tiles. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and temporarily lay out my tiles on the bottom line exactly the way they're going to go, with the spacer in between them. So as you can see, by doing that, laying things out, I have my spacer in between, and I can see where my tile is going to end up. This long tile here, I'm going to have to basically cut almost half off, which is great. So that means that my next layer, when I do a brick lay pattern, meaning that the center is going to be on the center line, the center of the next row of tile, it's going to end up so that I have almost a half of tile here, or at least a quarter of it, which is what I want. I don't want any little tiny slivers if I can avoid it. So we're good to go. Once you figure that out, then you're ready to go ahead and start tiling, as long as you have the right substrate and the right materials to tile with, obviously. But that's how you lay it out to make sure that you're going to end up good on your ends from end to end and have a nice even look. Hope that helps you. Don't forget to subscribe.